Had no need to fight. Tonight. Fucked and drank all night.
So you got Cody's beautiful DSG
Acted
Terminator right
all alright. Had no need to fight. Tonight.
Wow, the slow 5.0 right here. Tawfiq's in the house.
Not ready for it.
Not ready? What do you mean? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have Tawfiq Zamzami in the house today. And tell us about your car. What's done to it?
It's the EcoBoost. I got an air intake. Put fake 5-volt badges.
Oh, okay. So if you guys don't know, this is Tawfiq's 2019 EcoBoost 5.0.
No, it's a 1999.
1999?
Yeah.
1999, sorry.
This is rare. They only made it. This was like a concept car nobody knew about. You know what I mean?
Concept car,
this
okay.
Is like behind the scene type shit, and I
Right.
like stole this car.
Oh, okay.
So all the Ford executives are looking for me. So this is recorded in Italy.
In Italy, okay. You get a carb sticker.
I leave it like that?
What do you mean?
Like, you want to hear it like that?
No, because it's not going to filter in the air. All right, so this is before pre-K&N drop-in filter.
Yeah. Holy shit.
And then this is such a much better flowing one. Pop it in.
Let's go.
It's-
Wait, K&N?
Yes.
And
Oh
then
my
put
God,
it-
why would you?
Start it up. Yeah. Brakes, right?
E-brake down. Hey, well, let me tell you.
Last time I stalled, didn't I?
Roll down the window. Hey, take it out of gear first. Take it out of gear. Okay, one thing I want to note to you is that the clutch grabs hard. And what I mean by that is like, if you let go of the clutch, right?
Yeah.
It'll go like, whoom.
So just...
Okay, well, first just find out where the clutch grabs. Don't let it release it hard. Go in the gear first, though.
Oh, I see where it grabs.
You let off, you can't be on the brake. We're not gonna move. We're gonna roll backwards. Okay, hold it right when it starts to grab. Hold it there, good. Oh my God.
I got it though!
Oh, okay. Okay, see how you release too fast?
Yeah.
Okay, hold it right when it starts to grab. Hold it there, good. Oh my God.
I got it though!
Okay.
Yeah. So
Gotta
slowly.
hold it there a little bit. Oh my God.
I did it better than the Cobra. The Cobra I missed every gear.
Okay, but the clutch grabs are clutch in, brake. Do you know where it grabs?
Yeah, it's like halfway midpoint.
Right, but don't let it go so fast. Like give it like
time once I'm pressing the gas.
yes,
like
but
this.
like right, like hold it there, okay? Like right there. No. Oh my God, Tawfiq, no. Go.
We'll still drive slow.
Just go left at the light. You're good.
I know, but wait for till your turns.
Left at the light. You're good. Clutch in. Go. You're gonna coast. So clutch in.
Okay. Like
all
right
the
now?
way, all the way. No brake. Clutch in all the way. All the way.
Okay.
Okay. Now you're neutral, so you can let out the clutch.
Oh, you're getting me nervous.
Okay. Like it grabs. Don't. You're.
Okay, do it with your foot, with your right foot, so I can see.
I can't show you.
With your foot.
Clutch is in, and then you're letting it go, and you hold it there, and you kind of.
Okay, do I put gas in?
Yeah. Slowly. First gear, left and up. There.
Okay.
Hold it there. Hold the clutch there. There you go. There you go. Okay. There. That's better.
That's a little better.
Okay, and then the shift, you let off the gas and put the clutch in. Okay, but you're not putting the clutch in all the way. You have to push the clutch all the way down. All the way down.
Oh, I see.
You're fired. All the way down. You have to push it all the way in. All the way.
All the way.
That's neutral. There you go.
Just
Okay, no.
no gas, just let it.
No, give it a tiny bit of gas right when it hits, but hold the clutch there. So, no.
I'm done. Yeah, you're stalled.
Yeah,
I fucking stalled.
Go.
I stalled. Hey, but it's a little better from the...
Scary. What? Alright.
Oh, shit! Ah, that's enough! What the f***? You spin so much!
These tires don't hook, I'm telling you.
Need the shit for clout.
This is some advanced technology shit right there, guys. That's crazy. Did you know that? I didn't know that. Hey guys, today we're gonna die in the Civic, and we're gonna die today in the Civic, but it's okay.
If you guys want the Cobras, go ahead and go for it. 2 hands on the steering wheel. Thank you.
Yeah, 9 and 2, sir.
Yeah.
Come on now.
You ain't a G yet.
The SVT Sloba reporting for duty. So we just finished up cleaning up the cars, ready to cruise, and finally take out the Termi for like the first time in 6,000 years. All right, guys. So it's been such a long time that we've taken the Cobra out, and it's looking phenomenal. She sounded pretty with the Mac off-road H-pipe and the boreless stingers. I think I'm gonna just stay with the stingers because I don't know, guys. I think the attacks are a bit too loud for me. But aside from that, she's looking very good. And yeah.
This car so much, guys. Hey, they're pretty good.
We picked the wrong place to meet up, guys. It's so packed right here. We gotta find a different spot. That's stressful, huh? It's all stressful. The boy Cody has arrived. Sheesh. That thing's so wet. Man. Cody's, nah, you good, you good. What's good? How's it going?
See us going back.
Hell
What
yeah.
shit?
So we got Cody's beautiful DSG Terminator right here. Yogi's 01 Cobra with the rare snake badge. Hey, these go for $300.
300 or 400? Now give me 400.
These so
About to sell this.
yeah.
Hey, turn
Dang. Damn. Right in the clutches. Some don't care, some do. The Termi, man. Yeah. Got the Shelby right here. What's up? Set. Oh, those shits are loud. So we got Yogi's 01 Cobra, Eder's 2003 Terminator, and then we got Cody's DSG Cobra and Terminator. That shit's crazy. I mean, that's what it wakes up like that. I can see why. I mean, when I was pulling, it makes a difference. Oh shit.
Yeah, man.
This just sounds so badass. Oh my god. That shit's so loud.
Oh my god!
That's nasty loud. That shit's oh shit.
Oh my god!
Something happened.
Wait, go back, go back, go back.
Hey, she got too much testosterone. Them bitches built like wrestlers. Hey, them bitches built like wrestlers. I wouldn't with them either.
Oh my god.
Ride with me in my S550. Slide with me, yeah, it's alright with me. Time flies when we ride through the city. me drop a gear and disappear. Ay, gotta thank the Lord that I made it here. Ay, see the opposition when he's in